Welcome back to the Boys State Bulletin. It's your host, Keon. Right behind me, you'll see a protest that's been organized by some of our delegates. This was a protest that came about because our delegates felt like their sidewalks and their soda machine was wrongfully taken from them, and so the results of that are right behind us.
Things are getting heated in Irby Hall. Stay tuned to find out what will happen to these protesters, and will the governor deal with them? Thank you.
All right, tell us what to do. Something about it. Instead of getting mad at me, let's take initiative. Okay? Instead of yelling at me, let's take initiative.
Governor Clay Smith is currently in the midst of that, navigating things. This protest is a great way for our delegates to learn the importance of their civic engagement, as well as the resources they can use to organize things.